Okay, to simulate this customer's application, basically what we did was put two rectangles on the template and then put a POD field in the middle there. So basically that's our variable we're gonna populate with the raw socket command. Over here, what we're using is a software called Hercules. This is gonna allow us to simulate sending the commands they would be sending from their PLC. So we're basically just running an Ethernet cable to our SmartJet Blue. And as you can see, we're in stop print mode right now. So first thing I'm going to do here is connect to the IP address of this printer. All right, so now we're connected. Then basically what we're showing here is there's two commands that they're going to send to the printer. They're going to send either this data command, which is going to populate that variable with side, and then this command would populate the variable with the word top. Okay. So as you see, that middle field there, POD1, will change each time I send a different code. All right, so currently the printer's in stop print mode. I'm gonna enable print mode. Okay, now you see it's in a waiting for data mode. This means that it's gonna sit there until I send it one of those two commands, either side or top. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by sending the top one, or excuse me, yeah, top one. All right, so it's responding saying, yep, it received the data. You can see the printer is now in ready status. So we'll go ahead and make a quick print here, acting like this is board number one. You see we printed the word top. All right, now the PLC could then say it read a side board, so we would send that command. Okay. Good. Let's see it hit side. Now you'll notice that it did come up with that quick error there, POD buffer empty. That basically means that after that first print, it wasn't going to print anything until I sent it that second command. So we can go in and ignore that error in the future, but then we can continuously keep sending commands back and forth from side to top in real time, and it will change print by print.